Yeah, hello friends. Actually, in the last session, we discussed about the how to design a first REST API in the Anypoint platform. Now we can continue with the some HTTP methods and how to put our data types in another file and how to reduce the code. These all things. In coming to this thing, coming to this session, I am completing the REST API. Means like I am designing the REST API. Designing part will complete. We can go with our means like actual implementation of Anypoint in Anypoint Studio. Now we can continue with our session for this. Now I am logging to with my account. You guys also created the account in the Anypoint platform, and if you are not created, create an account and practice these all things. Actually, now I am explaining here only one REST API. You guys need to practice the some more APIs in the Google. Just if you search like means like some RAML examples for practice, na in the any in different sites you will get the codes. Okay, means like there will be some documentation is also there. Just you can go with those all things. Just if you search on the RAML 2.0 tutorial, you will get the whole idea of the RAML. Okay, means like just I am explaining whatever you need in the interviews perfect, and apart from that you guys need only this is for designing purpose. Designing will care by designing things. RAML there will be a separate session for you guys also. Just you can go through these all things. Means like here, okay, here some, okay, they are did some they used the all HTTP methods with the songs ID, artist ID, these all things. Okay, please understand these all things and you guys can understand the RAML part. Everything you will get the, it will be useful to, means like if you are a design role in your coming organization, it will be easy for you. But anyway, means like in the MuleSoft, any you will be working as a Anypoint Studio means like a developer. In designing part you will get some few, means like there will be a Swagger documents also there, and they will design in the RAML also. But design is ready some of the organizations, but you guys need to concentrate on the, means like you guys have to knowledge on these all things. If they give a design, you need to analyze in those all things. You need a RAML. Okay, now we can continue with our coding. Coming to API designer, my network will be slow. Okay, yeah, design center is opening. Again I am telling, if you are not created the Anypoint platform account, guys, please create and please practice. Okay, now I have only the root file here and exchange.json file is there. Okay, now, okay, everything I wrote my, what is the business logic, not business logic, what is my static logic is there, I wrote here only. But it's not a proper way in your organization. On that time, what you guys need to do, actually yesterday I have showed you like a search bus only one resource path. But for means like understand purpose, I have added the multiple resource path and multiple methods. Here I used the get method. Now I have used the, here is the post method. Okay, for that here user login contain username and password. Okay, there will be some properties are there before logging into that red bus. Okay, on that time we will use a username and required. So these all things I have like these property I have added, and then after that, according to those property, I have added the responses page also. Okay, here see 400 responses, something went wrong. Okay, on the time also in 400, like in the getting buses also, there will be a similar example is there, like example is same, exactly the 400 and 500 is also same. Okay, what I will do in these things, I will put these example in one file and just I can refer that file here. Okay, for that, if you are going the file section, I have told you guys, this is the canvas and this is our documentation, and here you will get a file structure. Okay, here what I will do, here bus tickets is there now. This will be in a one API, means like a one REST API. Now I am adding in a folder. Okay, in the folder I am putting the 400 error. Okay, in the folder what I will do, response, I will give the folder name as a response, sorry, response. Okay, this will be our folder name. Inside the folder you guys can create a folder also and file also. Now I am creating a file. Okay, here also I am creating a raml file, but what I will do here, raml file is the root file, but here I am giving a specification file. Now what I am doing, I am giving the just examples, right? What I will do, I will click on an example. Okay, here example.raml is there, no? Because we are using the JSON file, right? That's why what I will do, just example, and I will remove the this other. Okay, there will be a file.json will be there, and here I am giving as a for a naming convention I will give. Okay, now response hyphen error hyphen 400 dot json. Okay, I am creating this file. Okay, yeah, I am putting like this is the response file, right? Here I am going and I am putting this 400 response. What is the 400 response? Okay, here something went wrong. Okay, I will take these example. Okay, these example message, and I will take a cut and I will paste here. Okay, here the file is already there. Okay, what I need to do, I need to use this thing in the main raml file, means the main root file. Okay, how we can refer this branch is shared externally, a new commit has been branched since a new thing, we will save a latest changes, suppose discard the your latest update. Okay, okay, I have removed something here, but it got came, I think. Yeah, sorry. Okay, here it's the response is not there. Okay, yeah, now I need to refer this this file here. Okay, here if you try to see the like 400 response, if I click on the get, okay, there will be a no example for a 400 because you have a message for a 200 is there. Okay, just to see this thing. Okay, we can minimize this thing. Let it drag. Okay, here success response is there. If you go for a failure response, means like 400, there will be a, but for a 500 actually you have given an example, right? Internal server error is there, but here it is not there. Okay, what we can do here, just we can do here is, I am referring this file. Just for a referring this file, I will use a slash include. I am including a file. Okay, if you click on just thing, and I will go I will write a file name. Okay, as a response. Okay, yeah, response came, and then after that I need to give the response file path here. Okay, response. Okay, yeah, it came in the recommendation. Okay, yeah, now here, okay, I have included this example here. Okay, what I need to do, I need to check in the 400 if it is came or not. Okay, in 200 example is there, in 400 we can check. Okay, it came or not. Yes, we can came, means like if anything it got wrong, this it will go here and it will come to 400, and after that it will go the response page, like a response file folder, and then after that it will refer the file of error of hyphen 400 JSON file. Okay, like that I will do for a 500. Okay, okay, now I am coming this thing. Okay, let me create a file here. Okay, what was that file? That file will be other, and file name should be some naming convention. Just you can follow this thing, because in the organization also you guys need to maintain like this only. Some organization maintain the hyphen, use hyphen, some organization maintain the underscore. Okay, now I am using only for a hyphen. Okay, 500 dot json. Okay, file extension to be json. Okay, here I am creating the file and I am copy pasting the internal server error, this error. Okay, now what I will do, I need to refer this thing. Okay, here 500 response is not there. I need to refer. How I can refer? You guys need to tell me. Okay, slash include. Okay, where is my file? It's in response folder slash, it's in response folder slash, yeah, yes, response. Okay, response is there, hyphen. We click on enter, not on enter. Okay, click on hyphen, it has to come actually. I don't know what is why recommendation is not coming here. Okay, yeah, here you will getting the two files. Okay, which one is the file now? 500 this is. Okay, I am clicking on the 500 response. Okay, you will get these things, same thing here. Okay, here I have used the 400 and 500 in this resource path also. Now I will use that same thing here also, because something went wrong and internal server error in user login also. What I will do, I will remove these 3 lines of code, JSON code. Just I will refer the file as the previous. Okay, what happened? Okay, I have deleted the 500 also, that's why it is getting the error. Okay, 500 example I will refer as a include. Okay, recommendation came. Okay, if you try to do that thing, there will be a sound. Yeah, here recommendation is also complete. You don't need to wrote the which one is the file. Okay, response file, and here which one is, this is the 400 response I need. Yeah, you will get those thing. Okay, like that. What I will do, I will do for this 500 error also. Okay, now we are reducing the code, whatever the code it is there, just to simply that thing we are reducing the code. Okay, here I am removing this thing, and here and percentage include. Okay, I have included what I need a recommendation came, just to click. Okay, you guys don't need to write the code here. Okay, I am using means like I am referring the 500 response. Okay, now the code is reduced to some around the files. Okay, now what I will do, because you are means like you are hard coding the value. Hard coding the value means you are giving the hard coding response here. I will put what this means like this request response into 2 other files, because this is the different things. Okay, and because if you is like buses are available and login is successful, you don't need to hard code like this, because the organization every means like files are referred by other files. Okay, now what I will do, I will create another file here. Okay, I am creating a file. Okay, sorry, I will create a folder here, that will be a request folder. Okay, here I will create the files. Okay, according to files, which file I need to create, other. Okay, I am using JSON, right? Okay, this is the success response, this is the search bus success response, right? Search bus (200). Okay, search bus 200. Now I am putting these 3 lines of code, means like I am going to main root file, and now I am putting these 2. Okay, okay, this code here, means like this hard coded value here, this message here, and now I am referring same thing whatever I did for a response, right? Like that I will do for a here also. Okay, there will be some recommendation is, if you click on your mouse, that will be your response, and here once you click on these things, you will get 2 folders. Which folder we are referring? Now we are referring with the request folder. In request folder, which file? Search -200 JSON. Okay, yeah, now we are getting this thing. Okay, now our code is reduced. Okay, somewhat some before it's I think 70 lines. Okay, now it's reduced to 67. Okay, now what I will do, I will put this one also, login successful also, like user login is successful, right? Okay, I will put this code also inside the some folder. Okay, inside the some file, in file request dot file. Okay, what is the file other, please refer this file, and what is the file name can I give here? This is the user login 200, right? User hyphen login hyphen 200 dot json. Okay, now I am putting the message here. Okay, whatever the message is here, now I need to refer this file here. Okay, how we need to refer? Slash, there will be some suggestions you will get in the library. This will be a Anypoint library. Okay, you will get a some session like include. Okay, here you will get some two folders, request folder, and what will be the response here? Response will be the user login success. Okay, now according to request you will get the responses. Okay, I need to put this one in the this folder also, you guys can do that thing also. Okay, here there will be some options are there, open in a new editor tab and rename, copy name, copy path, duplicate. If you duplicate here and you can use here. Okay, like that you guys can do. Okay, just I am doing means like everything refer, I in the structured manner I am telling, but in the organization if you get a one file means like one swagger file or a raml file, that will be a look like different from this, but now I am explaining with the like a hard coded values. Okay, now see guys, you guys can put a multiple resource paths, and multiple in one resource path you guys can put a multiple http methods also. Okay, now I am put as a in the user login as a post. Okay, now you guys can put this in search buses. Okay, whatever you are putting now, Bangalore to Hyderabad, right? Okay, in search buses there will be a routing for a two buses. Okay, now there will be another option is also there, some after putting this thing, there will be some timings also there. Okay, on the time it will be also like this. Okay, post you guys can refer like this also. Okay, post query parameters. Okay, query parameters, that query parameters has contained some keyword, right? What is the keyword now for a posting? Like I'm putting a date. Okay, date. Okay, date has contained some required folder, required data also required. After searching these all things, if it asks for a this thing. Okay, required, and what is required has to true. Oh, it's not getting seriously like that. Multiple methods you can put, get, delete, and put, patch, these all things you can give. Means like required I will put as a false. Okay, it will means like just for a like I am creating this thing, right? Now date will be a false. Okay, it's not required, but if it is optional I am giving. Okay, if in the interview guys will ask, okay, if the field is optional, okay, what you will give? If you have to say like there will be some option, like there will be some parameter, there will be some property like require, you need to put that required as a false. Okay, after that what will be the this type will be just to say it is an integer. Okay, sorry, it will be an integer. Okay, after these all things, okay, there will be some response also for this thing. Actually this is a request now, and there will be some response also. What I will do, I will give a example before that thing, because that will be a useful thing. Contain what? Okay, now I have given the properties of the date. Okay, now what I will give, I will give the response of this thing. Okay, how will be the success response should be responses, and contain some body. Okay, body contain some file reference application slash json. Okay, instead of creating means like here example, okay, example file, what I will do, okay, body contains some 200. Okay, yeah, I forgot to mention that responses, okay, here, because that will be important, otherwise your code will not work. What happened? Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, sorry, actually we can continue. Actually, after adding the responses, I need to refer, means like example here, right? What I will do, I will create a here only directly, instead of pasting there all. I will create a one file with the json extension. That will be a search bus, right? In search bus there will be a date, right? Search hyphen bus hyphen date, because I am using date. Search bus is already there. Now I am going with the date. Okay, that will be a success response, and I am creating this file, and just I am adding my message here. Message, what is my message? My message will be on this date buses available. Okay, now I need to refer this thing here. I need to refer this file here using hash include. Okay, what are my files? That will be a request, success request, and the file will be, because why it is recommending the search is a capital and this search is a small. If you go for a capital yes, okay, there will be it will come. Okay, we can continue, means like if it is a means like greater bus, like if it's a capital yes, naming conventions you should follow. Okay, I have used the capital yes there, it will be it will not showing the search bus. Okay, if it is a small, it is showing only the search bus date. Okay, we need a search bus date. Just I am referring this thing. You guys need to remember these all things, okay, in your while working. Okay, in the comment section you guys need to, means like if you work with this REST API now, you guys need to like show me the how you guys did. Okay, now today what we did, we added these all things. Okay, what I will do, I will put these properties in the another folder, means like data type one folder is there. I will put these all things to there, means like data types are there. Now I added the only for an example response. Okay, I need to combine these two in the one folder, but let it be. Okay, now I will go for a data types and properties. What is the, now I am following the new. Okay, that file should name should be the data types hyphen properties. Okay, what are the properties I am putting here? Okay, once you get the folder is created, I am creating the file. Here I am referring with the raml only. Now here I will refer a data types. Okay, data type. Now data type dot raml. Okay, it will be there here. What I will do, I will put this property file here. The raml data type will be there. Come below and come give this thing properties. Okay, that thing will be displayed in this the documentation. Whatever we give, that should be as our property file. If you want, you can give the description of this thing, description of this property file. My description will be this file properties of user login. Okay, now it will be there. Okay, if you use this post method, nothing will be there. Okay, because query parameters, nothing, only success response is login successful. What login successful? We need a search for that. Okay, for that what I will do, I need to refer that file. Okay, for referring data type file, right? How I can refer that data type file? Here if you have one keyword type. Okay, there will be a type you are using, right? There will be one keyword type. Okay, now what I will do, I will refer that data type, means like whatever the username and password, those properties are there, I am using with the hash include. Okay, there will be some suggestion hash include, and now I need to refer that file. Okay, which file? Data types. Okay, it is not coming with the recommendation. Yeah, it's came here, see guys. Okay, data types dot properties, what was that file? Data type dot ramal. Okay, now if you go here with the post method, you guys will get the object, it will show here. Okay, whatever the query parameter, sorry, coding, not this. Okay, yeah, here it is showing. Actually the type will be a username and password. Okay, it is showing. According to that I have added here 400 and 500 examples. Now what I will do, for reference, means like now we searched in this the mocking URL only. What I will do, I will go this URL and I will search with the means like mocking URL. What is mocking service? You guys has to know, because once the design part is completed, okay, once you completed with these all designs, you are getting the get method and these all methods here. Okay, how the user can use that thing? Okay, now he was thinking, okay, I need this thing. Okay, how he can use? Okay, we are using here. Okay, try it. If you click on this try it, if you put the Bangalore and like Bangalore and two city, you will send this. Okay, you guys can get the buses are available. How? Now it's the only for you only, but how it's using for others? Okay, there will be a mocking service will be available. If you click on this thing, okay, it will make a public, it will create one public link. You can test this. Okay, you can use this thing, and if you go here, this will be an URL, means like we can call it as a mocking service URL. After that you will go with this your methods. Now I am searching with this resource path. Okay, search bus, I am removing this thing. Okay, here I will add sorry, yeah, I will add these things. Try it. Okay, here it will be a something. Okay, if you use this request URL now, it will not work because it's a university. Okay, search bus, I am using this resource path. Okay, whatever the resource path is here, I am using. Okay, you will get a success response or a failure response. Okay, now I am doing that thing now only. Okay, yeah, my search is ready. You guys will get some response. Okay, your message is available. Okay, you guys are not getting 200 these all things. For 200 these all things you will get the links, because it's a client URL. Now I am requesting with this Chrome. Okay, I am a client for this for this API. Okay, you are successfully, you are created one, you designed one API. Now you are testing that API. Okay, now I will go here, I will copy this URL. Okay, and I will go to Postman, and here I will give it a new search URL, and here actually this is a Postman. Okay, I will use these things for a we will use this thing for the testing of your APIs. Okay, here it is. Okay, here you will get some methods like get, post, put, patch, these all things. Okay, whatever it is there, if it is a post, you can use that thing. And now which one I am using? I am using this search. Okay, get only, mine is get only. Once you click on this, the query parameters will come. Okay, if you want to modify these query parameters, For example, I am modifying the Hyderabad. Okay, I am modifying this Hyderabad to New Delhi. Okay, and from city to I am as a okay, Mumbai. Okay, now I am modified the from city and to city like these query parameters. Okay, once I modified those things, those will reflect here. Okay, I will click on send button. Okay, yeah, you guys will get here it, you will get the 200 success response time and bytes, and you will get the messages also, like test results are there, like headers will be there, whatever the headers it will connection string and keep alive. These things like once you send a request, there will be some headers will come. Okay, which timing, like content type, sandbox, and content type. We are using the application slash json, right? That will be here. And after that, the date at what time it came. Okay, Monday, April, like GMT time this is. Okay, mine is Indian time. And coming to server, it's a nginx, like it is a server is right. Anypoint platform, I have told you guys, this is our resource path, like sorry, it's a domain name. Okay, it is a mocking URL. If you want to buy, you guys can buy your new domain names in the like some Dhoni advertisement is GoDaddy, in those all things. Okay, you guys can use those those domain names, and you guys can get your responses. Okay, now I am using this responses, like this is my domain name, and I am searching my query. This is my resource path. Okay, yeah, now successfully you guys are did one designing of a REST API. Now we can move, like in the next further sessions we can move with our developing part. Okay, now it's completed with the API design and development. You guys need to learn this ramal, means like completely in other tutorials, but for you guys, means like for a beginner level, this much is enough. If you know this get method and post, put, these all methods and differences, that much is enough. Okay, yeah, thank you.